Hi team, welcome to the Cloud World channel. Today we will deploy one application into we will build that application in Docker and will run a container and expose into real world. So for in this scenario, I am taking one example. So first of all, we need to create one EC2 instance. So here I am creating EC2 instance. So new people don't know about the creation of the instance. So in my previous video, you can check and you can create EC2 instance. I have created key pair. So I have explained in detail in my previous video. In this, I will give in comment box. You can watch it. So here I have taken pre-existing this Docker VPC. In this, I have explored into port 80 and HTTPS and SSH. So after that, I am taking this storage 8 GB EBS volume, and after that, I am creating one instance. So here creating, I'm launching the instance here. So here, launch instance. It will take maximum 30 seconds or 1 minute. After that, that will be created. And check, please refresh here. Yeah, this one Docker is pending. So this is running state. So in this, how can we connect to the terminal? So we have two ways. So we'll directly connect to the browser as well, or we can connect with Mobaxtrum. So in this video, I'm taking with the browser. Now it's connecting to the server. Once the connection is established, then we will install Docker and we will install responding that corresponding commands here. So I am taking sudo -m. So after that, I'm installing Docker. So here I'm installing yum install docker means docker will be installed. After that, this is a docker is a service. So after that, we need to start that service. That's we need to create we need to run systemctl start docker, and after that we need to check the status. After these two commands done, so we need to check the version of the docker. So we find version of the docker, then the docker will be installed our local machine or we install on server. So we'll do that. Yeah, docker is installing here. We can check. So here we can check the docker is installed here. Docker engine is installed here, and this after that we need to check the version of the docker. Yeah, and this we can find docker engine version here. Yeah, this is the docker version, current version 25.0.3 is we are using here, and go language version and build and os linux we are using here. So this will be used in in our application. So here after that, we have created we have installed our docker in server. So after that, we need to install Yeah, we need to install Git. After that, Git is installed. Then we'll clone one repository into our local system. Yeah, I'm cloning this repository here. So after clone is done, so we will create one root directory. So in this root, we will create one Docker file. So here I am creating Docker file. So in this Docker file, I will give this command in description. So you can find, you can, and you can take and you can practice here. So after that, I have created one Docker file. Then I need to build the Docker. This is already I have explained in my previous video. Then Docker is going to build. So here first is building stages. After that, run state. And after that, install. So we have created Docker file. So first we have taken from, after that run, after that foreground or background that will be taken here. After that, that will be installed in that server. So these steps are done. Then we'll expose into, here I am taking this command docker run hyphen itd hyphen name Netflix one port 81 is I'm exposing. Then I will browse that image here. Yeah, our deployment is success. Our port is enabled 81. So here we need to log in here. So we can deploy this type of custom images and that will be exposed into port number 8081. So here we can do that. So hope you guys like this video, share this video and comment this video. Thank you. Thank you all.